What's going on, E-World? How y'all like the new dash on Frank? Just kidding, this ain't Frank. This is that mountain bike I was working on. And it's nighttime. So just came out here to do a little testing. And I had a 48 volt little small scooter battery on this bike, but that 1000 watt motor back there was killing that little 48 volt battery. Now, before we upgraded this bike, this little mountain bike would only do 17 miles per hour. 17 miles per hour. So as you can see, so far, I've had it up to 29. Is the top speed so far. And that's only because I haven't been able to find a straightaway since I came outside. Just been riding around the parking lot. I ain't got no lights on this thing or no helmet. But I gotta tell you, this little bike is ripping. This little mountain bike is ripping. I gotta take it easy out here. Like I said, I ain't got no lights on this thing. And I ain't got no damn helmet on. And I really ain't even did the brakes up on this thing yet. And I can't see a goddamn thing. So let me slow my ass down. Because I can't even see if I'm running over a pothole. Even though there ain't no potholes. Let me see something. So we was going 29 miles an hour just then with no lights on in the dark. Let me switch speedometers. You can see that a little better. Even though I can't see a damn thing. Yeah, I can't see a damn thing. I ain't trying to go with so fast. I'm riding in the blind. I can't even see where to do a U-turn. But I will be out here in the daytime tomorrow and do some speed tests on this mountain bike. And when I tell you this thing is smooth and quiet, oh, I love it. I gotta get me a mountain bike. Ain't no question. This is the move. I mean, talk about ninja style rolling in complete silence. This thing is rolling in complete silence. I dare ride down the street again. Can't see a damn thing. And it's getting ready to rain. We're gonna sneak it. And I got a backpack on with a power cable hanging. That I don't like that. Shoot. Yeah, I'm living foul out here, y'all. And it's doing exactly what we hoped for. Normal e-bike speed. Because when I tell you this thing was a snail, it was a snail. 17 miles per hour on flat ground and about 10 miles per hour uphill. Like I say, I ain't so comfortable going but so fast in the dark. But we will do a complete speed test tomorrow. And there are no hydraulic brakes on this bike. These are mechanical brakes, old school. And this is a fold-up bike. Wow, look at that moon. Anyway, test complete. I gotta at least show y'all what this thing looks like. I don't know if there's enough light right here, but we're gonna see. Now I got a battery in a book bag right now because the owner is gonna put a rack on the back. He's got one of those seat racks. But there you see that 1,000-watt motor. And that's where the controller is in that Rock Brothers case. And that's the little full twist throttle right there. It's got a battery meter on it. But yep. Let y'all get a better look at it tomorrow in the light. It ain't nothing but a little 26-inch mountain bike. And like I said, prior to this upgrade, it had a 250-watt motor on it. It would do 17 miles per hour on flat ground and 10 miles per hour uphill. So we're doing 29. I'd say it get up to 30, 31 when I ain't scared in the daytime. And that's pretty significant upgrade for this little bite. All right, y'all. Y'all know what it is. Deuces. And we out of here. Chriscrossing wires.